Okay, today I'm going to talk to you about the water cycle. In the water cycle, water is constantly being recycled, and that's what I'm going to show you today, how that works. So just so you understand the diagram that I've done right here, I've got a mountain here. Here we have a river running through. I have a forest here. The sea is here, and we've got a nice bright sunshine here. So let's see how water moves around from one place to another. Now, I'm going to start by talking about the water in the sea. And this could also be water on the land. The thermal energy from the sun causes a lot of that water to evaporate. So we have evaporation. So that's a lot of this water turns from liquid to a gas because of the thermal energy from the sun. Now that causes water to turn into a gas called water vapor. Now that's not the only way that we get creation of water vapor. Water also evaporates from trees and other plants. Water loss from a plant, the scientific term for that is transpiration. So water is lost from here, from trees, and it forms water vapor. Now, all of this water vapor starts to rise up, and as it does, it starts to cool because it's warmed by the thermal energy, it causes it to rise. But as it does, it starts to condense. We have condensation. And as it condenses, it forms clouds. So because it's got cooler, as it's cooled down, this water vapor's cooled down, it started to go back from a gas into a liquid, and that is called condensation. So what's going to happen next to our water? Well, we're going to have it falling down. As rain, it could be snow, it could be sleet. Now that term is called precipitation. The reason why we don't just say rain is because it can be snow, it could be sleet, it could be rain. So precipitation is just water falling from the sky like that. Okay? So next up. Now it's not all going to go in rivers. Some of it might just drain through the soil, but it's then going to drain back into the sea. So it drains into the sea. And the cycle continues. It goes round and round and round. So, just to recap, water is evaporated from the sea and the land by the thermal energy provided by the sun. This forms water vapour. Also, we have water evaporating from trees, or water loss from plants and trees. That's called transpiration, contributing to this water vapour. This warm water vapour rises, and as it does, we have condensation, which is turning from a gas to a liquid. As we have condensation and the formation of clouds, we have precipitation, which is the scientific term for rain, sleet, snow, basically water falling from the sky. Then what we have is the rest of this water, or this water eventually will end up draining into the sea, and the cycle continues. And that's the water cycle. Thank you.